Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, launch the Gmail application. So then just tap here and go to manage accounts on this device. So just to log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from the Google account on our device. So click to manage accounts on this device. Tap to your account and click remove, then confirm your action by tap to remove account, go back and we can see that we just successfully logged out from Gmail account and now a Galaxy Tab. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.